Well, we haven't finished with our box just yet. The box is still highlighted. The handlebars are active so that we know that we're working with our box. I'm going to come up and I'm going to use this thing called the FX or the effects, and we're going to add a drop shadow. And this is telling me that the drop shadow is in place. In fact, I'll click on preview and we can kind of slide this over to the side and we can see what this shadow is going to look like. Well, that looks okay to me. You could come in and make all kinds of changes, but the default is okay. So I'm going to click OK, and we've added a drop shadow to our box. Now, this is something that would have taken a lot of time before. We're going to type some text into our box, so I'm going to click on the text tool, come in and type, click inside my box. I think I'll add a blank line at the top. Let's see, current ADVISERS ERHO Aero National Broadcast Society is Dr. Spurlock. NABJ, the National Association of Black Journalists, that's Dr. Hoppen. The Ad PR Club, that is Dr. Classo. SPJ, that is Professor Kirby. The Communication Club is Professor Reif. And JSAC, that would be Dr. Paget. Okay, I'm going to do a select all. I'm going to center this text. We're going to turn this text into Helvetica. And I'm going to turn this all into 16 point. Well, there is no 16 point. I'm just going to have to create it myself. And I'm going to turn the top line into bold. And I'm going to move that up to 22 points. Okay, we have all that text in place. One more thing, I'm going to click and whoops, I grabbed the wrong thing. I'm going to do a Command Z to basically say, no, that's not what I want. Need to click off. Now I've selected the quote box, and I'm going to move this quote box so that it is between the two columns. Well, it's actually between the second and third columns of my page. Alright, we have a few more things that we're going to do to this page, but we'll do that in the next video.